Have you ever wanted to seamlessly display your Google Drive files right on your website? Today, I'm going to show you the easiest way to add a Google Drive folder to Google Sites step by step so your visitors can access your files without leaving your site. First, start by opening Google Drive and locating the folder you want to share. Right-click on it and select Share. Here, it's important to adjust the sharing settings. Make sure anyone with the link can view the folder. This ensures your site visitors can access it without any issues. Once your folder is ready, open your Google site and go to the page where you want to embed the folder. Click on Insert from the menu, then select Drive. Navigate through your drive to find the folder you just set up, select it, and click Insert. Google Sites will automatically embed the folder directly onto your page, creating a neat interactive view of your files. You can resize the embedded folder and place it wherever it fits best. And the best part? Any updates you make to the folder in Google Drive will automatically reflect on your site, keeping your content fresh and organized. That's it! With just a few clicks, your Google Drive folder is live on your Google site, giving visitors instant access to your documents, images, or any other files. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to try it out and see how easily you can share content with your audience.